Today, I would like to demonstrate for you the power of Milltronics chip boss cutting cycle. I'm going to do so by creating a new program. Next, I'm going to identify my work offset, followed by my stock's parameters. Next, I'm going to select my tool. I'm going to let the machine calculate the RPM. Followed by importing my DXF. I'm going to let the machine do the heavy lifting of calculating the point-to-point positions. Finally, I will set the parameters of my chip boss cycle. I'll set my cutting width, my stock to leave, and to avoid plunging directly into the part, I'm going to use a helical entry. So, while you're waiting for your cam system to load, I'm ready to cut chips. UMBia, Macchina, Potenziale, Milltronics, USA, very bravo.